Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can reset the Messenger pin code of Facebook. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to go here on Messenger, and then you have to click these three uh, straight lines right here. And once when you do it, then you have to click here on the settings logo. And again, once when you do it, you have to come here to privacy and safety and click that. And then you have to click here on end-to-end encrypted chats. And then what you need to do is you have to click on message storage, which is right here. And then you have to click here on reset pin. So once when you do that, you can reset your pin and put a new pin that you like to do. Let me put this pin, for example. So here you go. My pin has been reset and I've put a new pin. Remember that you need to put this new pin if you use Messenger on any other device as well. So this is how you actually reset the Messenger pin code. I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.